Hello everyone, my name is Muslim Wardag. I am once again here and would like to teach you German language in English. It is worth mentioning that I have already recorded uh, German language A1 level lessons and Dari in Pashto language. Dari means Persian language. So if anyone would like to learn German in Pashto and Dari, so you can visit our channel and can learn German in Pashto and Dari easily and without any instructor and teacher. So here, before starting with A1 in first lesson of A1, knowing some general facts and similarities are important. So the general facts are as follows. So first of all, we have to know that how uh, how the level of language, not only German, if it is English, Dutch, French, and any other language, they are uh, uh, divided in six different levels according to the difficulty of language. I mean the difficulty level. For example, when someone is starting language from zero, so he or she will start that from A, B, C, then will go further higher and higher till advanced levels. Here, for that we have so in such a manner, the language is divided in three main um, what we can say in three main categories, or we can say in three main levels. So the first one is elementary level, the second one is intermediate level, and the third one is advanced level. The elementary level include A1 and A2. So in this level, when a student and a person is in this level can communicate um, a little bit up to a few sentences and can express a few sentences in a few small ideas and can introduce himself well. And second is intermediate level. In this level, a person knows well, but not very good. Can communicate and express ideas well, but not much complicated ideas, and cannot understand the complicated texts. The next one is advanced level, and advanced level include C1 and C2 levels. So in this level, the person can understand a complicated and complex structures and texts and complicated audios and lessons. So now we are coming to the similarities. Here you see, here is written grammatik. In English we have um, like grammar, and the next one here it is written alphabete. In English we say alphabets. So and here you can see clearly this all the letters are like that of English, but yes, the difference is present in pronunciation. So these are the similarities that you clearly see, and it has many more similarities, and we will explain it accordingly when the similarity comes, and I will explain you that here it is a similarity with English language. Now coming to the lesson Grammatik A1. Grammatik A1. Grammatik means grammar. So it is also similar. Up to this point, here and here, both of them are same. Here TIK is added and here one R is added. So otherwise, both of them are the spellings are same. So, but this is the difference, and this is the similarity. Now we are coming. So Grammatik A1. means grammar of A1. A, or the first letter, it is pronounced in English like A. In German, it is pronounced as A. One, in German, for one we say eins. So grammar of A1. Then we have German Deutsche Alphabete. One we have German. German is a country. In its adjective form, we say Germany is a country. And when we use its adjective form, then we say German. Right? So in German German language, for this word we use Deutsch. Deutsch. And when we say Germany, the country, then we add Land, Deutschland. And alphabets is English, and for one letter in German is called, we say alphabet. When it is plural, then we say alphabete. So here we use now, and we require now the adjective form. We say Deutsche Alphabete. So German alphabets. So now we are coming to the alphabet, alphabets. And alphabets, you see here, they are written in 3 rows. And first row, the alphabets are written in, and the letters are written in blue. The capital, these are in capital form, and the second, which are written in red, they are in small, they are small letters. And here in black one, they are which are written, they are the pronunciations of word alphabets in letters. So now we are coming to pronunciation. They are same like that of English, but yes, a difference is present in pronunciation. So we are coming to the first letter. The first letter is, in English we say, and we call it A. In German we call it A. In German we pronounce it A. And the second one is, in English we pronounce it B. B. In German we pronounce it B. B. The next one is, in English we say, and we pronounce it C. In German we pronounce it C. The next one is D in English and D in German. The next one is A, E in English and A in German. Here I have written A in English. The English A letter of English is pronounced here the E one. The next one is F. F in both languages is same. The next one is G. This letter is pronounced as G in English and G in German. The next one is H. H in English and H in German. The next one is I in English and E in German. Here I have written E. This letter of English is pronounced as I in German. Here I have written it. The next one is J in English. In German, it is pronounced as J. J. The next one is K in English and K in German. The next we have is L, M, N, O. These all letters are pronounced as the same as we have in English. The next we have P. P is in English. In German, we pronounce it as P. The next one is Q. Q is in English. And in German, we pronounce it as Q. The next one is R. R. We pronounce it in English. And in German, it has got two pronunciations. The first one, it is pronounced as R. The next one, it's pronounced as R. 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 The next we have S. S is in English, and in German we pronounce it as the same like that of English. In the next one, we have T, that we pronounce it in English, and in German we pronounce it as T. The next one is O. It is pronounced a little bit deeper and longer. Deeper and longer than O. It is pronounced as O. And this is pronounced, only O is pronounced as O. The next one is V. V we pronounce in English, and in German we call it and we pronounce it as V. The next one is W in English and V in German. The next one is X in English and also X in German. The next one is Y in English, and in German we pronounce it as Epsilon. The next one is Zeit or Sie in English, and in German we pronounce it as Z. Z. The next one we have that we don't have in English, and in German it's a German alphabet in a German letter, so we pronounce it as is Z. Is Z. It can be used instead of double S's. When double S's come in a word, we can use instead of that these double S's is Z. The both of them can be used instead of each other. So these were German alphabets and Deutsche Alphabete. Now I am going to go once again to it. So first, the first letter, it is pronounced as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z, and the last one is Z. So these were the German alphabets. I hope that you have learned it, and I think they are easy to learn. Just there's a bit difference in pronunciation. Otherwise, they are same. In written form, they are same, but in pronunciation, yes, there is a difference. So I hope that you have learned it well. So for more lessons and for other lessons, be with us and follow us and watch our videos.